Pass, ball stolen. Bounce pass. And behind the back pass, may mata sa likod. In and out, rebound. Post up. Hook shot. Drives, lays. Oh, harap-harapan yung ang gandang tic-tac to pass and the finish. And welcome to corner. 4-3. Short. Rebound putback. Bakit for 2. Inbound for Barangay Makinabang. Looking for the receiver. High pass. Holds the ball. Bounce pass. Post up. Pull up jumper. Bullseye. Tie game. Barangay Makinabang. Ball possession. Pass it to the middle. And the pass. Ball stolen. Bounce pass. And behind the back pass, may mata sa likod. Ang team. Stop the bounce pass. Import against import. To the middle. Hook pass. Fades away. Short. Bounce pass. Floater shot. Bullseye. Rebound. The pass break. Delays of the window. Basket is good. And the pass will attack the side step. Pinabitin of the glass. Basket is. And the pass. Floater. Not good. Bounce pass. Fires. Yes, sir. Goes to the middle. Corner 3. Bang! 3 point. Inside pass. Bounce pass. Kicks out for 3. No good. Step back. Bullseye. 1-on-1. Ojula. Import to import. 4-3. In and out. Rebound. Post up. Hook shot. Yes, sir. Post up. Crossover. Sa gitna sa 3. Bang! 3 points. The pass. Ang gandang tic-tac to pass and the finish. The pass. Crossover. Stops. Stolen. And the pass. Drives. Lays. Oh! Harap-harapan yung corner. Quakes. Drives. Kicks out. Open look. Bang! 3 points. And dribbling. Stolen. And stop. Open look fix. Goes inside the side steps. Open look for 3. Bang! Back to back 3. Ball. The pass. 4-3, not good. And takes Pinoy step reverse. Bullseye! Kani! Stop for 3. No good. And number 9, Del Pozo. Kicks out. Open. Fires at 3. Short. Rebound. Hook shot. In and out. Ojula, the follow-up shot. And dribbling. Sumegway. Bump. Kicks out for 3. Bam! 3 points. And number 8. Please. Basket is good. And the pass. Bounce pass inside. The fire. Yes, sir. Here comes the import. Zigzagging. Inside pass. Picks. Clutch. One bounce. Attacks to the hoops. Rejected. Open look. Fires. Rejected. Wala nang gustong mag-shoot. For 3, rejected. And number 4 penetrates the floor of the window. Bucket is good. And kicks out. Wide open for 3. Bam! 3 points. And he stops. Del Pozo for 3. Bam! 3 points. Dribbling the ball. The pass. Bounce pass. Post up. Corner 3. No, in and out. Rebound. Del Pozo. Del Pozo wide open for 3. Bang! Same spot, same result. Bomb. Reject to bucket. Oh, base to base. In the pass. Open look Beltran. Bullseye Beltran. For the backdoor inbound. Inside pass. Hook shot. Basket and 1. Beltran completing the 3-point play. Easy 2. And floater. Bucket's good. And this Barangay Makinabang. Import versus import. Bump. Spins. Hook shot. No good. Rebound. Put rejected. Not in my house. Basket is good. And now in hurry to the hoops. Rejected. Saves the ball. And pass inside. Hook shot. No good. Oh, binuhat. Oh! And the pass. Goes to the screen. To the hoops. No good. Rebound. Ojula. Pass break. To the... Oh! Inabol! Rejected. Di distansya. Del Pozo. Behind the between the legs. Stops. Quarter shot. Basket. Del Pozo. That's the end. 4-3. Stolen. Open look. Pilon. Bang! 3 points. For the inbound. To the hoops. Basket is good. In the ball possession for white team. 4-3. Bang! 3 points. The pass. Deep 3. Short. Rebound. Crossover move. Floater shot. Yes, sir. The pass. Picks. Pull up J. No good. Oh, the lucky bounce. Beltran. In the pass. Deep 3. Bang! 3 points. Point lead. The pass. Securing the ball. Goes to the screen. Crosses over. Hook shot. Bullseye. The floater. Yes, sir. Sumigwe. Fires off the glass. Yes, sir. Naagaw. Easy two. Uy! At the buzzer.
At basket.